Hello beautiful planner girls, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elaine on Digital Plans, and today I thought I'll just share with you some tips, tricks, hacks, however you want to call it, when you are dealing with some really cute but not cropped stickers, especially if you buy these weekly kits. These are supposed to be printable kits, so when you get them, you get regularly these three types of files. You get silhouette, that's for a silhouette machine. If you have one, you can print them and then cut them on that. A PDF, which is just, a PDF file, not going to be of much use right now. And what you want to search for, it's a PNG file or a Cricut file, which is another type of machine like the silhouette that will cut your stickers. But if you don't have PNG files and you have Cricut, click on that, because that's where you will find the PNG images, which is basically, just the photos, but they don't have a background. So when you unclick them right now, like I just did, you open them up, you click on that image, it will show you black, which means that is not anything, like it is completely transparent, which is what you want to make these a little bit easier on yourself. Next thing, I like to save them in my files, and I like to crop them and then save the cropped images also in my files. That way, if I want to reuse a sticker kit, which is an amazing thing about digital planning, is you can use your stickers as many times as you want. If I want to reuse a kit, I already have it cropped, and I can just add my stickers however I want in my spread. And also because I make videos, so I just like to have everything pre-cropped and ready to go, so when I'm filming my videos, everything is just a little bit faster and easier, and you don't have to sit there through this kind of tedious process. So I'm gonna share with you how I like to do it, and what I find is the easiest way to do this. So I'm just gonna get started here by creating a new folder, and I'm gonna do full boxes first. I just do it by categories, the way it makes sense to me. So for example, I like to start off by doing my washi tape, my day covers, so that would be one category. Then I like to start putting on my food boxes, so that's another category. After that, I start doing my labels, so anything that is these kind of boxes, even these ones on flags, things that I like to use to mark down on, like the individual dates, that will go as labels in another folder. What else? And another folder for headers. So those are my 4 categories that I like to do. But if you have a different way of planning, you can make your own categories for these. Now, you just grab your image, add it into GoodNotes. That's going to be selected automatically, which is that image icon. Tap, select crop, and then you want to start cropping. So let's do this because I really like it. I think it's really cute. Done. Look how cute this is. I love me. And then the use crossed. Anyways, that way I'm just gonna grab these and drag it into that full boxes. So now that's gonna be saved. And here I'm just gonna undo. So it's gonna uncrop the sticker. And then again, I'm just gonna go ahead and crop the next box. I'm gonna do the girl in the bathtub. I wish I was doing that right now. How nice. Okay, and you can be a little bit imperfect when cutting, because like I said, this is a transparent background, so if you didn't go super precise, it's still okay. Again, I'm gonna drag and drop that, and then I'm gonna undo. So I feel like that's the easiest way. Now, don't crop every single sticker. You already sort of know what you like to use, so crop the ones that you are sure you're going to be using. And for example, these ones that are the headers, don't crop every single one. I feel like if you have one of each color, you can copy paste it. It's going to be fine. It's not super notorious that it's the same one. So that's my tip as well. And then things that you're not 100% sure, just crop them together. Like these ones, I don't know if I'm going to use deco this week or not. So what I like to do most of the time is just crop all of that deco together and just add it here with the rest of the kit. Now I have that. If I want to use it, I will just crop those. It's not a big deal. It's not as much work. But because I don't use it 100% of the time, I'm not going to go ahead and crop individually. So that is the way that I like to crop my stickers. It is, like I said, just really simple, because now when I'm planning, I can go like, oh, it's time to put my full boxes, open that and just drag again, drop, and just like resize, whatever, put it wherever I want, decorate, etc. So for me, that's the easiest thing. Just use that button and then crop again, and then when you're done with that page, putting all of the stickers that you want from that sheet, you can then, move into the next one and to the next one. Another thing is check the fashion page first, because for example in this one you get some fashion girls option, like this one in the band of this girl. But if you have a fashion page, you can check that and say like, oh, this same girl is here and this looks more like me, I want to use that. Or there's another one with the coffee mug here. You don't see that you have both characters. So if you're starting with page 1 and already cutting this one, which you would prefer that one, then you have to crop it twice, So just make sure that flipping through really quickly here and like, so like seeing what you want, what you don't. Like these ones I know that I never use, so I will never crop them. These icons I never use, so I will just not crop them. However, I will leave this full kit here, so if for any reason my planning style changes and I decide that I actually really love those sort of icons and I really want to use them, I can come in here, grab them, and use them. I will show you really quickly how I do this, and also I will time myself so that you can see how long it takes for me to crop a complete kit. This is 6 pages. Like I said, I'm not cropping every single sticker because I'm not using every single sticker. I'm just cropping what I'm going to use. For example, these I don't use. The numbers I don't use. So from all of this page, I'm only going to be cropping these washi tapes. So see, like I'm not going to go insane either. So I'm going to time myself so you can actually see how long it takes for me to crop an entire sticker kit. Which is, I think, not that bad considering that I did crop quite a bit of stickers. 68 stickers in total. Like I said, these kits come with a ton of stickers, which you're not going to be using every single one of them. So I'm just saying, for example, these ones, I wouldn't crop every single one. These 3 are the same, so you can just cut one, and then from these ones I would just vary. Like in this color I would cut, for example, this one and one of these, and then on this color I would cut this one and this one, and then so that you have varied sizes in various colors. That way you don't have to be like cropping a trillion stickers. Like I said, if you're not using these, I just like immediately just crop this part, and afterwards I'll crop the individuals from there instead of having the whole sheet if I'm not going to use the rest of it. It is a little bit tedious, and you can get definitely some kits that already come pre-cropped. Just read the description on Etsy, and some shops will already sell these, especially made for digital planning. So if it's not something, I actually find these a little bit entertaining and relaxing, but I know it's not for everyone. So if you absolutely hate doing these, yourself, you're not gonna do it, then just pay a little bit extra to get the stuff already pre-cropped. And for digital planning, it also comes, I feel like, with a better quality to the stickers, because they're specifically made for digital planning. They're made for you to like really zoom into them, and these ones are made for printing out. So definitely keep that in mind. But I definitely think that these are a great price, and a lot of the times they have sales, and you can get these stickers for like 40% off, 60% off, which I think is an amazing deal. So some of my favorites to get stuff from is Pink Planner Shop, Pansy's Print, Paper Crown Planner is one of my all-time favorite ones, The Planner Shack, I Love to Print, which is finally back. It took a break, but it's back. Bling Bling Planner and Travel stickers. Both of these have really affordable stickers. Print Petticoat Bandit also has amazing stuff, and Planner Pixie Co. So yeah, those are my favorites and some of the tips that I can give you to make sure that you're like cropping them a little bit faster. Hopefully you're having a great day, and I will see you beautiful planner girls in my next video. Bye!